Alright, so I'm doing a quick tutorial on how to create a mixtape in 2020 using old school technology and new school technology. This can be done for under 40 bucks. I mean, basically, if you want to, get your little retro on, or if you just want to, you know, make a little mixtape for your lady, or if you got a car that still has a cassette tape and you want to play some of your new music on it. Not everybody has Bluetooth and auxiliary and all that other stuff, so that's what this is about. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna buy or get some blank cassette tapes. You can get them on Amazon or at the Goodwill or garage sales and things like that. I'm gonna get you a cassette recorder like what I got. This was like 26 bucks on Amazon, and an auxiliary cord and your medium from what you're going to output the music from. I'm using Spotify on my Fire tablet, but you can use your phone. You can use anything that can output music that has the 35 millimeter headphone jacks will work fine. So now, what you do is you put one end of the auxiliary cable into your cassette recorder, and put the other one into your tablet or phone or whatever. And what you want to do is hit record first. Hit record and play first at the same time, so it'll record it. Then hit play over there, because if you start play on your device first, then it's going to cut off some of the song. So we kind of want to give it a couple of seconds and then hit play. This song is Song 33 by No Name, featuring the amazing production of Madlib. And you won't actually hear it while it's recording from the device. What you're actually doing is it's inputting the sound into the cassette recorder and just recording it. So once it's done recording, you can rewind it and you'll be able to listen to it like normal. And this is a pretty short song. She's speaking some real shit on here and everything. So I'm just gonna do all this live so you can see what's going on. Like if it was like a longer song, I would just, play and then cut. But this, like I said, this song is 1 minute and 10 seconds roughly. So now that the song is almost over, as soon as it's done, I'm going to hit stop, rewind, and boom. Now you have the ability to listen to new and old music on your old cassette tape medium. And just to prove that this works, I'm going to hit play. I'm going to let you listen to a song that just came out last week on a cassette tape. Now the audio is a little terrible because obviously the speakers on this is terrible.
Another carpet, how my house can run it. My twin body don't embody all the life she wanted. The baby just 19. I know I dream all black. I seen her everything. Immortalized in tweets, all caps. They say they found her dead. One girl missing, another one gold missing.
And it's really that simple. I mean, that's it. That's it. You want to, do something nice for your lady or for a friend, make an old school style mixtape in 2020. Or if you're just feeling a little retro like me. Anybody that knows me knows that I love 80s mediums. Like, another project that I'm going to be working on is Stranger Things, converting Stranger Things to VHS on my VHS player. So yeah, this is another one of those things where we can kind of mix the old with the new. If you guys have any questions, add them to the comments, and thank you for watching.